Adding sound effect to your game makes it alive and it takes it to another level. And you can use the sound effect, for example, for jumping, for sword attack, for walking, and different things. To add the sound, let's first go to the player and add the audio source and uncheck play on awake, because when the game starts, we don't want that this sound to be played. And here we have it. So, for example, we want that the player attacks. It has some attack sound. So we go to that code. First, okay, I added that component. So we say private audio source audio. Okay, now we have to, as it is a component, we have to say audio equals get component audio source. And we want to add different clips. For example, for melee attack and for the fire attack, we want to have different sounds. So here we say serialized field, private, what's that? Private audio clip. And for example, I say sword sound. And I control D, and here I say magic sound. Then I will save the for example, here on melee, which was yes combo. You can give different sounds to your attack. For example, okay, go to you can go to this function and add the audio source, but I want that as my player has three animations. These are for a sword and one is for kicking. I want that the kick sound be different from this, so I add my audio source here, and also I add a kick sound. So here I say audio, that's clip. For example, for this I say sword sound, then audio.play. So to that audio source, I say which clip you want to play. I say this clip, please. And then, okay, you say, okay, the clip will be this, and then I will play that. And also for this second one, I add that. But here, I want that it be kick sound. So we have this. Let's go and check and to see how we can drag and drop it here. Okay, then I go to my player and see that I have to drag and drop the sound. I have a folder here that I have selected some sounds. So you might ask where to find these sounds. So you go to Google and search, for example, you want to sort attack sound effect. So search free sound sort. Usually Pixabay has some good sort free sound effects, and you click on that and enter there. And always check the copyright and the license thing. The other option is that go to Unity Asset Store, or you can even make your own sound. You have different options. So here I go to player. For example, for the sword sound, I want to add. Yes, this is the second one is better. So I add this, drag and drop it here. Magic sound. No. I think this was better, but I add this for other enemies, this and this. But this is which the best one should go always goes to the player, and the kick sound, something like that. Hmm. Okay, now let's try it. As this has some delay, if you want to give, for example, okay, I want that I give some delays, then you can go here and say private void, um, say kick sound. What? Why? Ah, because they are the same. Okay, kick sound effect, and then I say invoke. So okay, execute this method, but after, for example, this amount of time. So that would be more natural. So the sound wouldn't be heard at the beginning of the animation. I just want that it be played after some delay when the enemy has extended his foot and this is the complete kick. See, you can do that. And for the magic, I forgot to add it. So on fire, shoots. I also copy and paste it here and say magic sound. And let's do that for example, player collection. So let me get that there. Player collection, put it there. Get component. And we want that place, for example. So the first one is pickup sound, and the other one, oh, just say sound so that you know what is that, and also the drink sound. So you have it, and so on trigger, we want to have pickup sound, and also here, when you consume that, say drink sound. Let's save it. Okay, now let's see the result. So that works. And if you want to add a background sound or background music, you can say, okay, empty game object and say, for example, PG sound, and then go and add audio source. Let it play on awake. Okay, because at the beginning of the game, we want that it plays, and also check the loop and give your sound. I don't have any background sound right now, but imagine that this coin is the background sound, and then when you play the game, it plays the music. So something like that, which I'm going to disable for now because I wanted to only focus on my sound and the teaching. So yeah, just simple as that. And if you want to change the volume, you can go there and change that. So now I delete that. And that was it.